You are going to love the 2022 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera, smart device integration, steering wheel audio controls. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.